what I have for you pet owners is a pet hair removing brush, if you will. So it comes with 5 pieces. It does come with a handheld, so this can work on your clothes to remove any pet hair, furniture. It works better than a lint roller. It's reusable. It's more eco-friendly. And you can see you can see the little, it works so great. And it also has like a little squeegee. So this will work perfect for the smaller spaces. And then it does have this pole. Comes in 1, 2, 3 pieces, and this last piece is telescopic, so it will get to 52 inches long. And here is the brush itself, if you will. It has countless little heads. It has that squeegee, and then also on top it has these, so you could hook a microfiber cloth to it if you wanted to, so you could use it for mopping as well. But I'm going to show you how this works on one of my rugs and pull up so much pet hair. This is a high heel rug. This is a low pile rug. You can see it has some dirt on it as well, and it's picking it up perfectly. You can see it getting all that dirt in the pile. And this also can be used on hardwoods. You can see how it collects the pet hair.